G'day guys, so just want to go through a quick video here on how to do a repair of the actual drone. What we want to do is repair the controller to the drone. So this can happen sometimes. We normally recommend doing it every week now, especially if you're doing a lot of manual flying. It only takes a few seconds to do, but it makes that bond a lot stronger. So it makes the bond between the controller and the remote, controller and the drone a lot stronger, so you can fly further, get better video feed and everything like that. If you have any problems, normally a rebind of the remote will normally fix it. So pretty much what you want to do is you want to put your controller in pairing mode. So all we want to do is the actual button of the controller, we're just going to press and hold that. I'm going to take this phone off because we don't need that there. You'll see the lights, so keep holding it. It's about 10 seconds until it beeps. It's going, there we go. So now it's beeped, so we come over to the drone now. It's raining out here. So with these batteries here, what we want to do is we want to do a triple press and it'll do a beep. We are finding now with the newer, I think it's the B13970S batteries, they don't beep. But with these ones here, just do a triple press. So 1, 2, 3 really quick, ready? 1, 2, 3, and does a quick beep. And then what we need to do, we need to wait for these lights here on the arm to go a single flash orange. So at the moment they're flashing green, now they're orange. So now what we need to do is just wait. We just wait for a beep on the actual controller, and then that means it's all paired. So just wait a second. Sometimes I find as well, if it doesn't work, try it on another battery, because it depends on what firmware your battery has. So you'll hear that beep there. That means it's all paired, it's all ready to go. So just very simple like that. Can save you a lot of time out in the field. A lot of guys think, you know, oh, their drone's not working, those sort of things. Just a quick, simple repair will normally fix it. Very quick and easy to do. Very good, thank you.